Okay, so we have 3 crocs here, and they actually have something. I cannot figure out from here what it is. Look at that. They're fighting over the food. This is incredible. I think you're biting the other one's snout, mister. Oh, there we go, roly-poly. Backflip, roly-poly, somersault, I'm not sure, but there we go, we saw it. What's gonna happen again? This is incredible. 4 crocs, I've never seen this before, right here in the Mara River. This is amazing. Yeah, you can see the horns. It's some sort of antelope of some sort. Oh, these 2 crocs are still chasing and fighting. I just don't know which croc to look at. I'm a huge fan of reptiles and crocs, so this is just a really amazing thing for me to see right now.